November 24th, 1:15 in the afternoon. Back down on my buddy's property in 8M. Probably the coldest afternoon of the year so far. We got a slight little dusting of snow on the ground. I'm sitting at some hardwoods. There's a bench out in front of me that drops down. But with the snow, just a little dusting we got, definitely changes. You can see, got your movement a lot better. So, hopefully something sneaks through here this afternoon and we get a crack at it. So because I shot at 2 different deer, I just got back in the hut. I did find blood, and they just came running from my right on this ridge. Not exactly sure why they were running. The wind is kind of blowing back where it couldn't have been that, but 2 nice doe and 8M, which we have plenty of tags for. My buddy shot earlier. I think he's got a doe down as well. We'll sit right here and find out. Now before it gets too dark, we'll get up here and see what's going on. They're right up in this area here somewhere. Oh, there's some leaves kicked over right there. Oh, there's some hair. I know the second one ran up this way, up over the hill. Oh, there's some blood. Oh, right there she is. Here's one. We get the strap on, drag her back out of this garbage. Just finished gutting the first one. The second one ran down here. There's some blood. 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 This one's hit pretty hard. There it is right there.